Alright, so I thought it would be a decent idea earlier today to run through this quad and just make sure everything is okay after that pretty major slam to the ground in last week's video. And in doing so, I found quite a few issues. Let's see with this top plate. This screw and that screw were, well, this screw was stripped. This screw right here broke something inside, or I thought broke something inside of the, like stripped inside there. What had actually happened is I flipped the drone over, and this piece goes in there like that. And basically, when I flipped the drone over, that screw was just sticking up just like that, and it had pulled this out. I had to destroy 2 screws. I had to cut a groove in them so I can get them out with a flat blade, just so I could get the top plate of this quad off. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of tear into this a little bit more, see if there's any more hidden damage that I can see. So right now what I'm doing is I'm taking this motor off because it's got a bit of a ticking noise, so I'm just looking to see if I'm gonna have to replace this motor or not. Alright, so I went ahead and inspected everything else, at least that I could see without taking everything completely apart. I didn't really see anything else other than some camera damage, which I'll pop this thing off real quick. Some of the stuff right here, like that seals the camera on, chipped out, which I don't know how long it's been like that. I have this little cap to cover it to kind of protect it from stuff like that, so I guess it's not that big of a deal. Electronics wise, I think we're good. This connector was a little loose, so I went ahead, unplugged it, made sure everything was clear, and plugged it back in. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to flip this thing over and check for any loose bolts down here, and then I'll start putting everything back together how it should be. Alright, so I got everything back together as much as I can, minus these 2 bolts. I didn't put the battery straps or props on, which I'll do later. But basically, I'm clearly not going to fly this thing until I have the materials I need to fix this. But anyways, that was me just kind of telling you, updating you on the quad, and showing you what's wrong and what I'm going to do to fix it. So, hope you enjoyed this video.